Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for February. I already played with some of the items in here, so as I'm talking about the items, I'll be showing you guys how I apply them. So let's begin. So you open the box, you open it, and then it says this is the Boxycharm Afterglow. Has all the information right here about what's going to be in your Boxycharm. You open it up and then you have all your goodies in here. It did come protected, but again, I already played with it. So the first thing I seen when I unboxed this was that we have the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and this one goes for $22. I'm super excited to have this in my Boxycharm. You guys know I am obsessed with skincare. I'm huge on skincare. I feel like skincare is a must, and then your makeup, because if your skincare ain't right, that the makeup is not gonna look on fleek, okay? So I'm glad that we got this in our Boxycharm. I can't wait to apply it. I will be using it tonight, so I'm excited that we have that. I'm like, yeah, hell yeah. Next item we have in here is the No POREBLEM Primer, Smooth and Pore Covering, top secret for perfecting makeup. I don't know why I have a problem saying the POREBLEM, like no problemo. I don't know what the hell, like why I can't say it. This is a Touch and Soul. This one goes for $18. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So I did apply the primer today before I applied my Milani foundation. I love the way it applied. It seriously felt so smooth and nice, and it smelled amazing. I really like how it blurred out my pores, and it looked really, really nice. So I will be updating the description box of how it lasted, and yeah, all that good stuff. Hopefully it does wonders, but so far so good. I really liked how it applied. My foundation looks really nice. Now, the next item we got was the pretty VULGAR Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter. Infused with the glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments, this highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. And this one goes for $32. So I did apply it, and oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so freaking nice. I love, and I even applied it in my inner eye. I love that they had this in the Boxycharm box. I love that I received it because I'm like, yeah. It looks so freaking nice, and I love how it applied. It was super pigmented. I love it. I am so excited that we got this in the box. Next item is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. You guys already know this is a #1 selling mascara. Everyone is obsessed with it. Everyone is like raving about it. It is so nice. I love it. I'm so freaking happy that Too Faced is in Boxycharm. I'm like, hell freaking yeah. So now, like, if you guys have not played with Too Faced, you guys got to play with Too Faced if you guys got it in your box. So the next item is a Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other side. So I did apply that before I applied my Katy Perry lip gloss on top, just to give it more of a pop. I do like it. I applied the primer. The primer is so freaking cute. So I primed my lips with the primer that it came with, which is so cool. Stick that in there, and then you pop it out, boom, and then you have this lip color glaze right here. It went on really pretty, and it gave my lip a really nice kind of look. I really liked how it looked, but again, I wanted a little bit more of a pop, so I did apply another color on top. So I'm glad that we got this in here, and I'm glad it's a color that I can actually use. So I like that we got that one in here. With this Boxycharm, I'm not freaking disappointed. There wasn't anything in here where I was like, I don't like. Everything was like, hell freaking yeah. I love everything. Like the Pharmacy, you guys, I'm obsessed with skincare. So to see this in here, I'm like, hell freaking yeah. I can't wait to use this tonight. And then we got the POREBLEM, POREBLEM. I can't freaking say it. I don't know why, but I'm so glad we got it in here. I'm always up to trying different primers. They even showed an example of an orange with like primed and versus not primed. So I hope this does keep my makeup on all day like it says that it's going to. You know, it says, what does it say in here? The claims again. Holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So I hope the claims are true to that. So yeah. And then we got a full-size mascara from Too Faced. Oh, yes. And then we got a lip crayon, and then we got a highlighter. So I'm like pumped, you guys. This was such an amazing box. I'm super excited, and the box is only 21 bucks, you guys, which is a steal because this box is valued over 21 bucks. So that is freaking awesome. So if you guys are wanting to build up your makeup collection, I think Boxycharm, this subscription would be amazing for you because you get to try a good amount of things, and it's freaking full size, you guys. Like, you can't beat that. So if you guys are interested, I do have my own special link down below. If you guys use it, I do receive commission, description, but you guys do not have to use it. But if you do, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And let me know down below what you guys got in your Boxycharm. You guys know how much use Mascara. I want to know. I want to know what you got. If you got the same highlighter, what I want to know, because I've been looking at the hashtag after I recorded and I was like, okay, I could have got this, I could have got that. So it's pretty cool to know, like, hey, we all don't get the same thing. Like, what did you get? Like, let me see what you got. So let me know down below. A few of you have asked me the weight on the box. I don't know how you look at the weight, because it doesn't say on here. Because I get that comment sometimes where you guys are like, how much did it weigh? Tell me how much it weighed. And it's not because I don't want to tell you how much it weighed. It's because I don't know how to find that. Let me look at the email real quick. Hold on. I think it would tell you in tracking, right? Oh, okay. It does tell you. Pendeja. Okay, so the weight is 1 pound, 0.45 kgs. Hopefully, if you guys got the same thing in your email, we got the same box. But quien sabe? I don't know how that works. So yeah, thank you guys so much for spending time with me. Besos a todos. I love you guys so much. And sorry I sound kind of I'm kind of sick right now. So yeah, send me some good vibes, and I'm sending a ton to you guys. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for spending time with me. Te quiero mucho. Bye. Sorry if I sound like I got a raspy voice. Not trying to be sexy over here.